Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix call sensor on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing any type of issue with your call sensor, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing is that you have to try to clear this upper side of your iPhone screen. After doing that, you have to simply open your settings app here, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates here. If you find trying to update your app. After updating, you have to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, simply unlock your phone, and here you have to retry or check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so there might be an issue with your iPhone setting. So open the settings app here. So there's a direct way to fix all of settings because there are a lot of settings. So you cannot set them or fix them by one. You can easily fix that at all. Open the general section here. Select the transfer reset iPhone. Select reset all settings from here. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your phone settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed if it's just your iPhone settings issue. If your issue is still not fixed, might be an issue with your iPhone's hardware, so you have to check your iPhone hardware this side. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.